So in our original version of the grammar, only 4 strings were derivable. Here's our grammar from before. I'm going to add just one rule, and that one itty-bitty rule is going to give me phenomenal cosmic power. Here I've added a rule to allow us to make compound subjects. This rule is super special awesome. Let me show you a new derivation that uses this new rule. Starting from sentence, we go to subject-verb, subject and subject-verb, students and subject-verb, students and subject think, students and teachers think. Here, right here, when we turned this subject into subject and subject, that's when we were using this starred rule. And notice that now, rather than a 2-word sentence, we've produced a 4-word sentence. Amazing! Do students and teachers think? That beggars belief. It's both of us think, teachers certainly don't think. And let's see how this plays out. This new power that we've discussed, it's called recursion in a grammar. You're already familiar with recursion in programming, where a function calls itself. Here we can replace a non-terminal subject with that same non-terminal and some other stuff. So just as we might define factorial in terms of factorial of x minus 1, we can define subject in terms of subject and subject. This is a recursive rewrite rule, and thus the whole thing is now a recursive grammar. Recursive grammars, that's where all the real power is, because in essence, it allows a bit of a loop, and this gives us some room for creativity. This is how we can have a finite structure that admits infinite utterances, but not all utterances.